Hey there, fellow piper. It's Rick. Once again, hoping this video finds you well. Beautiful Sunday on this long weekend. For those who live in the US, it's a long weekend, President's Day. For the rest of us, it's prior to that big our day, IPSD. I'm enjoying the last of a tin that I bought like 4 years ago of Firestone from Russell Lit, my little Italian briar pipe. This short video just to let you know that, and you might have noticed, my channel has a different name. Yeah, the first name that I assigned to my channel, Pack and Puff, it started to get related to non-pipe smoking products and themes and all of that. So I wanted to get out of that and focus on our beautiful hobby. I renamed it to Piper Rick, but I wasn't fully satisfied. I used that name kind of as an urgent to get away from the other non-related stuff to our beautiful hobby. And yeah, just maybe, I don't know, since, well, whatever. But a few weeks ago, a few days ago, I was in the shower and got that shower moment, and came with this new name, Briardr. Get it more related to this hobby. And yeah, just a little short video to let you know. It's still my channel, just a different name, and looking to stay there for until God permits it to, many years to come. So yeah, again, just a little short video to let you know, and wishing you a great weekend. So yeah, bye for now, and until the next one, happy smokes, God bless, and cheers.